Everybody who raises a few chickens understands the value of those delicious, fresh, homegrown eggs. But in order to have plenty of eggs, you need to have healthy chickens. And when I start, particularly with my baby chicks in the spring, one of the things that I always use is a vitamin and electrolyte mix. It seems to give those day-old chicks a little bit of a boost. They're healthier and more robust, and it gets them off to a good start. Now, whether it's baby chicks, juveniles, or adult birds like these, you always want to make sure that they're kept high and dry. And you don't want to overcrowd them. If you overcrowd them, you're running the risk of disease, and they begin to pick on each other. And then, of course, there's the water. You always want to keep it as clean as possible. That's why I use a natural product that has an enzyme in it that keeps algae and scum from building up in the water. This goes for chicks as well as adults, like these silver-laced Wyandottes. Of course, one of the things that my friends who don't raise chickens ask about is, what about the odor? You know, it's not really that big a deal. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you keep your coop clean, all right? You want to have shavings in there that will absorb the moisture from their droppings. The other thing you can do is you can put an odor neutralizer over the shavings, which really helps. Now, think about this. Those shavings, as far as I'm concerned, are pure gold, particularly when they're mixed with the chicken droppings, along with that odor neutralizer. And you combine that in your compost bin, you're going to make pure gold for your plants, and you won't believe how many vegetables you can grow. These are just a few tips on how to keep your chickens healthy and vibrant. And with that, you're going to get a lot of delicious eggs.